Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to cook Channa Masala. So I've got chickpeas here. I've soaked it in water for 8 hours and I have drained the water. So let's get started. So first I'm going to cook our chickpeas in a pressure cooker. So I'm adding it. And I'm adding water. Just make sure the water is way above chickpeas level. And I'm adding few bay leaves and a small cinnamon stick and half a teaspoon of salt, and let's close it. Now let it cook for at least 6 to 7 whistles. So it's been close to 30 minutes and that was our 7th whistle. So I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool down. And in the meantime we can prepare the gravy. Got a pan, turn on the heat and let's add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add 2 onions cut into small pieces, and I'm adding it. And fry these onions until they turn light brown in color. So the onions are fried and I'm adding tomatoes now. I have used 3 tomatoes cut into small pieces and let it cook for 5 more minutes. So the tomato is also cooked now. I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool down. After that I'm going to put it in a mixer grinder and prepare like a puree. So I've got everything into a mixer jar, add a little water and I'm going to grind it now. And the puree is ready. Let's keep it aside. And let's check our chickpeas now. The pressure is gone. Let's see whether it is cooked. Okay. Yeah, the chickpeas are cooked well. Okay, let's separate the chickpeas and water. Don't throw the water. We are going to use that water while cooking. Now use the same pan, turn on the heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding few cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, saute it. And I'm adding 3 green chilies. Just saute it for a few seconds. And now I'm adding the puree. And also I'm adding the remaining water that we used to cook our chickpeas. And now I'm adding salt 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder half a tablespoon, chili powder 1.5 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, and garam masala half a tablespoon. Just mix it and let it cook for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. And finally I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of dry mango powder and adding little water. Mix it well and let it cook for 5 more minutes. So it's been 5 minutes, so I'm going to add our chickpeas. Just mix it. Close it with the lid and let it cook for 15 more minutes. So it's been 15 minutes and now I'm going to add a little bit of methi leaves. Just crush it and add. And just mix it. It looks good, got cooked very well, so we can turn off the heat now. So just in a minute I'm going to turn off the heat. So I'm going to turn off the heat. Our Channa Masala is ready, and finally I'm adding a little bit of coriander leaves for garnishing. So that's it, our Channa Masala is ready, guys. So there's our Channa Masala, guys. So please give a try and thanks for watching.